So, what is the topic that we are discussing in our session?
Recursion.
Recursion. So, yesterday we started a recursion topic, but before that, let me take some few minutes to explain about our course structure. This batch is data structures and algorithms with Java. It is a weekend batch. Every Saturday and Sunday from 7 a.m. the sessions will be there. So Saturday maybe 1.5 hour, 2 hours like that. Sunday full-fledged 3 hours will be there. Depends on the topic. Okay. And coming to the syllabus, yesterday I shared total 20 modules or 20 topics are there, which is classified into two categories. That is, some algorithms will be there and also data structures. Coming to algorithms, we have recursion, backtracking, divide and conquer, greedy, dynamic programming, hashing, bit manipulations. And coming to data structures, starting from array, string, linked list, stack, queue, priority queue, tree, graph, these things will be there. So everything is a programming concept, but we need to investigate how it is built, what are the various operations that we can able to do. From that onwards, we have to explore more. Okay, so this is our batch, and you need to pay 3,000 rupees from next week onwards to attend the classes on coming Friday, the coming Saturday. Okay, so coming to the demos, already I started one topic which I am not going to repeat further. So the topic is nothing but recursion and the applications of recursion. And I explained very clearly what is the purpose of a method. Whenever you are invoking a method, how that method calls are happening. That means from one place to another place, how the control is transferring and how it is coming back. How it is coming back. And in this, mainly you need to see the part of JVM. It is going to create one stack and it will store the entries automatically, and whenever the function execution completed, it will delete that entry from the stack, and what is the recent method call, it will navigate to that. So like that it will happen, and I think I explained very clearly by taking a stack how it is going to be invoked. I have taken multiple examples for that. So even we came to conclusion that a method can call another method, like a method can call same method also, there is no problem. So if it is happening, it is always rising stack overflow error. Why? Because the size of the stack is always limited. It will store up to certain particular entries. If it is going beyond that, then stack overflow error is going to come. So a method which is called by a same method is called as recursion. That process is called as what? Recursion. And the method which is invoked in this process is called as what? Recursive method. The method which is invoked in this process is called as what? Recursive method. And it is always leads to infinite recursion. You need to write explicitly one base condition which is going to stop the recursion. Okay, like that we have. Next, there are different cases also I covered. Based on the number of method calls, we have two types of recursions are there. One is a finite, second one is infinite. Based on the number of methods, we have direct recursion, indirect recursion, and very importantly, based on the position of recursive call, like whether you are calling first, after recursion, are you taking any statements based on this tail and a non-tail recursion. So this non-tail recursion is also called as head recursion. I forgot to mention yesterday. It is also called as head recursion, or we can also use backtracking. Sir, after recursive call, if we are not taking any Java statements, then it is called as a tail recursion. Sir, if you are taking any statements, then it is called as what? Non-tail recursion. So how the flow is happening? How the flow is happening? Yesterday, I explained with one example. Okay, so this is nothing but the content what we discussed in our yesterday's session. If you are very clear with this recap, we will start exploring the programs one by one, that is applications. Any questions? Sir, any students are there? This is my first class. Like any students are there? Sir, clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Sir, coming to the first application. So let us see the first application. So the first application which I am going to demonstrate here is nothing but, sir, I want to fetch the characters. I want to fetch the characters. So in reverse direction, I want to fetch the characters in reverse direction. Like if I have any string is there, I want to get the characters one by one in reverse direction. Okay. Suppose if you take the string called ABC, sir, if you fetch the characters in reverse direction, what is the last character that you have to be printed? C. What is the next character? B. What is the next character? A. Like that, we have to fetch the characters in reverse direction. Sir, yesterday I told, whenever you are using forward and reverse direction, compulsory you have to go for recursion. Of course, not necessary, but just I am explaining at very top level. Are you clear with the problem statement? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So assume for doing this requirement, I am going to call a method by passing the string. What is the string that I am taking? Java. Not only this string, you have to pass one additional parameter which is going to control the recursive to be stopped. So additionally, I'm going to pass the last index value. So what is the last index value in Java? The length is 4, 4 minus 1, the third index. At the time of receiving, two parameters are there. One is the given string yes, another one is the index value, last index value. Sir, is the prototype is clear? Please interactive. Is the prototype is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because slowly, once if you are clear with the concepts, you can develop large scale applications. Now, sir, I'm going to print the character present at index value. We have char at function is there, right?
Yeah.
Like this, I'm passing. So now if you draw that tree diagram for doing this, let us see how it will be. We have a method. So the string which I'm going to pass for this is nothing but Java, and the index value is 3. What is the first operation that we are doing? Sir, we are printing the character present at third location. It will print A. Next, I am calling the same method by passing the same string Java and index value I have to reduce by 1 unit. So what I will do? It is a recursion, right? Same method, same string and index value -1. Now what will happen? Again it is going to call. So it will print the character present at second location and it is going to call the same method by passing so Java and then 1 first index. Now it will print the character present at first index and it is going to navigate m of so Java comma 0. Now it will print the character at 0th location and it is going to call the same method. So by passing Java and then 0 -1 -1 like that. So can I say whenever you are getting negative index, I can stop this process. I can stop this process. So my requirement is we got A, so we got B, we got A, and we got J. Sir, whatever my requirement is there, it is satisfied, right? So what should be the base condition? If the index value is less than 0, can you please stop? Let me execute this code and check whether it is giving the same result or not. Java C, test.java I'm taking. The code compiles fine. Java space test, you can see, sir, A, B, A, J, like that it is printing. Any questions, friends, from your end?
No questions.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Now you have to tell the answer. Sir, I want to fetch the characters in forward direction. Forward direction. That means my output should be A, comma, B, comma, C. Tell me, what is the modification that we have to do in this program? Think a bit logically and tell me.
Index +1.
No.
Print line should be at line after line 8.
That's all. Can I say this one I am taking like this?
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? At the time of coming back, it will print 0th location character and coming back A, like that it will print. Correct, sir? Already I told in the last session itself. Now see, with only one modification, we changed the entire result scenario. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any questions from these two examples? Please let me know. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next application is, sir, I want to calculate sum of n natural numbers. That is my requirement. So sum of n natural numbers. How to calculate sum of n natural numbers? Suppose if they have given n value as the 4. Sum of 4 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 10. Like that I need to calculate. Sir, what is a recursive formula? I'm going to take the method name as the sum of n. So I'm going to pass a number, for example, let it be 5. What is the skeleton of the method? It is going to return integer value, because after result you will get one integer, right? That's why the given number I am passing, and whatever result I am getting, just I am capturing that result. So what is my expected output? 10 plus 5, 15. Sir, if you are clear with the prototype, I will start writing the code. Clear? Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
let us see. Sir, sum of n natural numbers. So what I am doing here is, first direct formula. Return n plus sum of n minus 1. Suppose if you take sum of 5, I am calling. What will happen? Sir, it is going to call for 5 plus sum of n natural numbers of 4. Please listen carefully. This is different approach. S of 4. 4 plus sum of 4 minus 1, 3. Sum of 3 is 3 plus sum of 3 minus 1, 2. 2 plus sum of 2 minus 1, 1. 1 plus sum of 1 minus 1, 0. Sir, when your output is 0, that is if n is 0, tell me which value we have to return?
One.
No, 0, right?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
1 means, for 1 if you add 0, it won't reflect the result, right? That's why. Clear?
Yes.
Now tell me, sir, 1 plus 0, 1, that will be returned to the caller. 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 3. 3 plus 3, it will return 6. 6 plus 4, it is going to return 10. Sir, 10 plus 5, it is going to return 15. Like that, we will get the result. So, what is the base case that you have to write? Sir, if the value of n is 0, can you please return 0? Got it, friends?
Yes.
Let's execute this code and check really is it working or not. Sir, is it giving the result? Please confirm. Is it working?
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but sum of n natural numbers. Next program is, sir, multiplication. Multiplication of n natural numbers, or it is also called as factorial program, sir. It is same like factorial. It is same like previous program. What I am doing, multiplication of n. If you take 5, what will be the result? Sir, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is nothing but 120. I am taking the same method name here. So formula, in the place of addition, you have to take multiplication. But, sir, when n is equal to 0, don't return 0. You have to return 1. Why? Because 1 into 0 will become 0 and every result will become 0, right? That's why. Sir, if you understood this formula, we will execute the code. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Let us check how it is going to work. Now you can see we are getting 0. Sir, why? Because what is the problem here? When n is equal to 0, how much value we are returning?
0.
0. What we have to return? 1.
Multiplication.
1, 1. then 1 into anything will become that number only, right? That's why. Now check, is the code is working? Is it giving the correct answer?
Yeah.
So this is nothing but how to find factorial of the given number using this recursion. Clear? Any questions from your end?
No.
Everyone please respond. Clear up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So another different zone of program I am demonstrating, which is nothing but finding nth Fibonacci number. I want to find out nth Fibonacci number. Let us see. So what is a Fibonacci sequence? The first two numbers in the sequence are nothing but 0 and 1. Correct? Am I right?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
What is the next number?
Multiplication of previous two.
Addition of previous two numbers.
Yeah, addition.
So 0 plus 1, which will become 1. 1 plus 1, which will become 2. 2 plus 1, which will become 3. 3 plus 2, which will become 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Like that, it will keep on calculating. So can I say this is 0th Fibonacci, first Fibonacci, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. Suppose if I am giving input as the 4, what is the fourth Fibonacci number? 3. If I am giving input as a 6, what is the sixth Fibonacci number? 8. Like that, we need to get the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is our requirement now. If you are passing n value, we need to get this answer. For that, we have to write the code. Got it?
Yeah.
So can I say the formula, like if you take function called FIB, if you are passing n, what is the formula? FIB of n minus 1 plus FIB of n minus 2. Am I right, friends? Correct?
Yeah,
Now let us write in the form of a diagram so that you will get clarity. FIB of I am taking for easy understanding purpose, let it be 4. So it is calculated in two ways. What is the first way? Sir, 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3. Next 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2. This one again divided into two phases. Sir, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2. Sir, 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1. And this one also divided into two phases. Sir, 2 minus 1, 1. So 2 minus 2, 0. Like that you will get. And this f of 2 is also divided into two phases. F of 1 and then f of 0. Until getting 0 or 1, you have to explore. Clear? So clear how it is came.
yes.
Yes.
Now I will start returning the value. Sir, if f of 1 came, can I return 1? Because first Fibonacci number is 1, 0th Fibonacci number is 0. These are called as base conditions. Now f of 0 k means I will return 0. 0 plus 1, it will return 1. And f of 1, it will return 1. 1 plus 1, it is going to return 2. and here it will return 1. Okay, and here it will return 0. So 0 plus 1, it will return 1. Sir, 2 plus 1, it is going to return 3. Like that we will get. Clear?
Yes.
Got it, friends?
Yes. Got it.
Now, so let us print fourth Fibonacci number. So what is my expected output? 3. If you take fifth Fibonacci number, it is nothing but 5. If you take sixth Fibonacci number, sir, what is the sixth Fibonacci number? 8. 8. How you will write here? So here I am taking FIB of, what is the formula? FIB of n minus 1 plus FIB of n minus 2. If the value of n is equal to 0, or if the value of n is equal to 1, this is the base case, right? I will return n. Suppose if n is equal to 0, it will return 0. Suppose if your n is equal to 1, it will return 1. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Let's execute this code and check how it is working. So you can see 358. Everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes.
So what is the next one is, sir, same like this. There is one more sequence is there named with Fibonacci sequence. What is the Fibonacci number? Sir, first 3 digits are 0, 1, 2. How you are getting next number? By adding previous 3 numbers. 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. Next, previous 3 numbers, 6. Next, previous 3 numbers, like 11. So, next, previous 3 numbers, how much you will get?
20.
20. Like that it is going to calculate. Okay, 37. Like that you will get. So if you are giving n is equal to 4, the expected output should be 6. If n is equal to 6, the expected output is 4. What is the formula? Here I am going to take sir, trib of n is equal to, sir, trib of n minus 1 plus so trib of n minus 2. Again we need to write one more formula, trib of n minus 3. Is that formula is clear? Correct?
Okay.
Now here I am going to take, so trib of 4, so trib of 5, trib of 6. So for trib of 4, the answer is 6. And trib of 5 is nothing but 11. And this one is nothing but 20. So let us see trib. Or if n is equal to 2, the output be 2. What is the formula here? Just I am taking trib of n minus 1. So trib of n minus 2 plus trib of n minus 3. Like that I am taking. That's all. So it's a very simple thing, sir. It's a very simple thing. The only thing is you need to identify the formula. Sir, later after completion of the program, just try to write down that tree diagram so that you will get more clarity. Beyond that, nothing. Okay, if you practice, then definitely you will get some idea behind the program. Are you clear with these Fibonacci and Fibonacci sequences? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So slowly you are learning how this recursion is going to work. If there is anywhere repetitive formula or constructed formula is there repetitively, then we should go for this kind of scenarios. Clear?
Yes.
So these are the basic programs what we have. Now the next level, that means a small formula based some complex programs we will see now. So let us take the eighth application. What is that eighth application is the number is correct? This is 4. This is 5th. 6th. Let's take 7th application. What is the 7th application is decimal number to binary conversion. Sir, this is very common example in real time, in real time. Even in the interviews also, they are going to ask, sir, how you are going to convert your decimal number into binary? Sir, how you are going to convert? For that, I will take a function called DEC, or let it be BIN, binary. If I'm giving any input, any integer value, what is my expected output? Sir, what is the binary equivalent of 4? 100. Suppose if I'm giving input as a 10, sir, what is my expected output? 1010. So if I'm giving input as a 12, what is my expected output? Sir, 1100. Like that I need to get. So method name I'm taking as the BIN. Now we have to solve. Sir, if the given number is equal to 0, I am going to return 0. If the given number is equal to 0, I am returning 0. That's all, simple base condition. That means if the number is 0, its binary equivalent also 0, right? That's all. Sir, if you are clear up to this, I will write the main logic formula. Clear?
Yes.
What is the main logic formula here is, sir, n percentage 2 plus, so 10 into binary of n by 2, 10 into binary of n by 2. Like that, there is a standard formula is there. Just you need to remember, that's all. Let us see how it is going to work. Sir, if I am calling binary of 10, then what will happen? Sir, is that number is equal to 0? No. Next, there is a formula, n percentage 10. Tell me what is 10 percentage 2?
0.
0. Very good. 0 plus 10 into, okay, 10 into binary of n by 2, 10 by 2, which is nothing but 5. Am I right? Now what will happen? This 5 again it is going to be expanded. So what is 5 percentage to anyone?
1.
1. So 1 plus, again what will happen? Sir, 10 into binary of 5 by 2. How much you will get?
2. 2.
2. 2. Now here, sir, 2 percentage 2. What is the value?
0.
0. 0 plus, sir, 10 into binary of, sir, 2 by 2. What is the value you will get?
1.
1. Next, now, sir, 1% to 2. What is the value?
1.
1% to 1.
1.
1 plus, again 10 into same binary of 1 by 2, where you will get 0. Clear? Correct? Now, if the number is 0, how much value you are returning?
0.
0. Now, please listen. 10 into 0. What is the value, sir? 0. 0 plus 1. So for the caller, it will return how much value? 1. Are you clear up to this? Clear? Please respond.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Now 10 into 1, 10. 10 plus 0, it will return 10. Correct?
Yes.
Now 10 into 10, 100.
100.
100 plus 1, what value it will return?
101.
101. Correct?
Hmm.
101 into 10. Sir, 1010. Am I right? 1010 plus 10. What value it will return? 1010. Is it correct for the binary equivalent for 10? Clear, friends? So this is the way how it is going to work. Let me cross check. Is it giving the correct answer? Yes. Sir, if you want, I will do one small modification. I will take a loop. So like integer I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10 I plus plus, system dot out dot println of I am printing I value. So followed by some tab space, okay, plus bin of I. That means number followed by its binary equivalent. Number followed by its binary equivalent. Now see, for every number, corresponding binary equivalent is coming. Clear? Any questions? Clear up to this?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Any doubts?
One time in the verification.
Sir, similar kind of program will be there next. So you understood the flow, right?
Yeah, yes.
Hmm?
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Low. Yeah.
Now, sir, there is one more program. What is that program is? I want to convert decimal number into octal. Decimal number into octal. This is my requirement. How to convert the decimal number into octal? For this, we need to write the code explicitly. So the only change that I am doing here is, sir, octal base is how much? 8. That is the only change. Wherever 2 is there, I am changing with 8. Now let's see by taking one simple example. So if you take the decimal number 10, what is equivalent octal value? So how you will get? You have to divide this 10 with 8. So 8 once 8, the remainder is nothing but 2. So 12 is our expected output. Are you clear with the expected output? Please confirm.
Yes.
Now, so let's write the formula. So I am taking the method by passing input as 10. So what will happen? 10 percentage 8, which is nothing but how much? How much will get? 2 plus, so 10 into, again we are calling the same method by passing 10 by 8. 10 by 8 means how much you will get? 1. Clear?
Yes.
Now for this method 1, what will happen? N percentage 8. 1% 8 means you will get 1 plus, so 10 into m of 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Sir, where you are going to get 0. Correct?
Yes.
Now, sir, if n is equal to 0, it will return how much value? 0. Sir, 0 into 10. 0 plus 1. It will return 1. 10 into 1. 10 plus 2. it is going to return 12. This is my expected output. Sir, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please confirm everyone clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are nothing but number related programs. Sir, will it works for hexadecimal also? Means no, because in the hexadecimal you will get some special digits like A, B, these things, right? We need to write explicit code for that, which is not possible by using recursion. Up to these 8 applications, any questions from your end? Clear?
Yeah, yes.
Next. So, like normal concept, I want to calculate multiplication. Multiplication of two numbers. I want to calculate multiplication of two numbers. Let us see how it is going to be calculated. See here, I am going to take integer mul multiplication function I am taking, and let's pass two parameters like integer a and then b. So system dot out dot println of, I'm going to pass mul of 5 comma 2. Sir, how you will multiply? If the second argument is 0, I'm going to return 0. See, the standard formula for that is, if you want to multiply a into b, which is nothing but you have to add a how many times? Sir? B times you have to add. Is it correct?
Yes.
Same thing I am doing here. I am returning a plus, again multiplication of first parameter I am fixing, but second parameter I am reducing. So what is the second parameter that you have given? Those many times just you are going to add. So let's consider multiplication of 5 comma 2. So first what will happen? 5 plus, again multiplication of 5 comma 2 minus 1 1. Again 5 plus multiplication of 5 comma 0. Now whenever you are getting second argument as the 0, I am going to return 0, that you have clearly seen. 5 plus 0, it will return 5. So 5 plus 5, it is going to return 10. Clear, friends?
Yeah.
Suppose if I am passing m of 2 comma 5, then what will happen? It is going to call for 2 plus multiplication of 2 comma 4. Again multiplication, 2 plus multiplication of, so 2 comma 3. Again 2 plus multiplication of 2 comma 2. Again 2 plus multiplication of 2 comma 1. Again 2 plus multiplication of 0. So it will return 0. 2 plus 0, it is going to return 2. 2 plus 2, it is going to return 4. 4 plus 2, it is going to return 6. 6 plus 2, it is going to return 8. 8 plus 2, it is going to return 10. Is it our required output came or not? Please confirm.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see whether we have a rule right in multiplication. A into B is equal to B into A. Am I right? So why we are doing this much calculation? So when these two numbers are common, why you are expanding this much? Simply you can replace this with the above calculation whatever we did. How you can do that? Sir, if the first number is less than second number, can I call multiplication by changing the arguments? Yes, happily. because A into B is equal to B into A, right? If the second argument is very less, then what will happen? You can reduce the level of the tree. That is my intention, to improve the performance. Clear? Is my statement is making sense for you people? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, how we can do that? We will write one explicit condition for that. If the value of A is less than B, I am going to call return multiplication of B comma A. Am I right, sir? Now see. So in both the cases, we are getting 10, whether it is multiplication of 5 comma 2 or 2 comma 5. Same answer you will get. Clear? So if you want to get more clarity, let us assume whenever it is running, I am trying to print a message called hi. Really, whether we are reducing or not, let me cross check. I will put this as a comment. Now see, I am going to enable 5 into 2. How many times it is executing will be decided by how many times that hi message is coming. How many times it is coming? 3 times it is executing. Suppose if I am disabling first statement and if I am enabling 2 into 5, then you can see more number of calls. How you can reduce? Sir, if you write this statement, definitely you can reduce that number of calls. One extra call we are going to get, except that remaining things are same. Sir, understood? Everyone?
Yes.
Are you clear with this multiplication logic? Clear, everyone?
Yeah. Okay.
Clear. Next.
Yes.
So I want to calculate x to the power of y by using recursion. X to the power of y by using recursion. So let us see how we can able to do. Let me take the method name as POW power. Let's take 2 power 0, 2 power 1 like that. The method name is a power. Now listen. Sir, if the second argument is 0, that means power. Second argument is a 0. What value we have to return? Anything power 0 is how much, sir?
1.
1. That is the base condition. Clear? Correct.
Yes.
See, if you are calculating a power 3 means, we have to multiply the value of a 3 times. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So I'm using same multiplication formula here. A into sir power of what we need to do, sir, a comma b minus 1 I am taking. Clear? Let's see how the flow is working. If I am calculating power of, so 2 comma 3, what will happen? Sir, it is going to take 2 into power of 2 comma 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 2. Again here, sir, 2 into power of 2 comma 2 minus 1. Again 2 into, sir, power of 2 comma 0. Now, whenever 0 came, how much value we are returning? We are returning 1. 2 into 1, it is going to return 2. Sir, 2 into 2, it is going to return 4. Sir, 4 into 2, it is going to return 8. Like that we will get. Let me write for 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and up to 2 power 5. Let's check whether we are getting the same answer. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and 2 power 5. Sir, correct answer came up. Any questions from your end on this application?
Yes.
Everyone please respond. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now, so 11th program. I want to count number of digits. I want to count number of digits in the given number. So if you take any number, how many digits are there in the given number? I want to count. It is a different genre program. You need to concentrate more. For example, if the given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, how many digits are there for? That you have to calculate. So it's a very simple application. Just you need to identify the format for this. Let us take count digits. Count digits is the function name. I'm taking the input as the n. I'm taking the input as the n. Okay. And here I'm going to take, so count digits. Count digits by passing some value. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 8. My expected output is how much? 4. How you can count? Suppose if some condition is satisfied, I will return only 1 digit. Can anyone tell me when we can say that number contain only 1 digit?
Then 10.
Hmm.
If it is less than 10.
In between? Tell me, if the given number is greater than or equal to 0 and if the given number is less than or equal to 9, can I say only 1 digit? Otherwise, what I am doing is 1 plus, I am considering as 1 digit, that is count, and I am going to call for n by 10, correct? So let's see from the diagram. If I am taking count digits of same example like 1, 2, 3, 8, is that number is in between 0 to 9? No. Then 1 plus same count digits but n by 10. If you divide with the 10, what answer you will get? Can I say it is 123? Please confirm.
Yes.
Clear?
Mm.
And now if you take 123, sir, 1 plus again count digits of 123 by 10 where you will get 12. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
Now this 12 means, sir, 1 plus count digits of 1. Now whenever you are getting 1, sir, what value I am going to return? I will return 1. So 1 plus 1 I am going to return 2. Sir, 2 plus 3 I am going to return 3. Sir, 3 plus 1 I am going to return 4. So 4 digits are there. Clear, friends?
Yes.
Any questions? So let us cross check whether it is coming or not. So perfectly 4 digits. This is a bit different application. Sir, clear up to this?
Yeah. Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, So the next application which I am taking here is same genre, sum of digits present in the given number. I want to take a number. I want to calculate sum of digits. How you can do that? In the place of count digits, I am taking sum of digits. So what is this value? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8. So 10, 14 is the answer. Sir, here we need to change this condition. If the number is 0, we have to return 0. Otherwise, same formula. But in the place of 1, can I take n percentage 10? You will get the digit right.
Yes.
Yes.
I think no explanation is needed for this. Let's execute the code. You can see my expected output is a 14 and the output which we got is also 14. Any doubt in this 12th example?
No.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So the next one here is I want to reverse the given number. I want to reverse the given number. Let us see how you can calculate reverse of the given number. Sir, I am taking the function name as the reverse, and let us take the same input here. If I am calling reverse, my output should be 8321 like that. So what we have to do? If the given number is equal to 0, we have to return 0. If the given number is equal to 0, we have to return 0. Now let us see the calculation part. Sir, reverse of, if I am taking 1238 as the input, now what will happen? Sir, reverse right. I'm going to write one special formula. You need to remember this. N percentage 10 into, sir, power of 10 comma length minus 1 plus again reverse of n by 10 comma length minus 1. Sir, what are the additional parameters? In addition to the number, you have to pass length. What is length here? The number of digits present in the input, that is 4. Sir, here we are using power, right? So compulsory we have to take the help of power function. I think already we have done that. Let me copy paste that power function. Now let us see how it is going to work. Okay, can I go for explanation? Please confirm. Right, this is my formula. Observe carefully. What is the length here? What is the length I am going to pass? Sir, your length will become 4. Sir, n percentage 10. 1238 percentage 10 means you will get 8 into, sir, power of 10 to the power length minus 1. What is the length? 4. 4 minus 1 means you will get 3 plus same reverse of n by 10. N by 10 means what? You will get 1, 2, 3. So, comma, length minus 1. 4 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 3. Next, again, what will happen? N percentage 10. 1, 2, 3 percentage 10 means you will get 3. Sir, 3 into 10 power length minus 1, which is nothing but 2. Plus again, reverse of 1, 2, 3 by 10, which is nothing but 12. Length minus 1, 2. Now what will happen? Sir, 2 into 10 power 1 plus reverse of, sir, 12 by 10, which is nothing but 1. 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1. Now see, sir, when n is equal to 1, 1 into 10 power 0 plus reverse of, so what will happen? 0 comma 0. Sir, if you are clear up to this, I will go for executable code. Clear? Can I go for explanation of reverse backtracking? Please confirm. Up to this formula is clear, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so if n is equal to 0, it is going to return 0. Sir, 1 into 10 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1, right? 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 0, it will return 1. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Now, sir, 2 into 10, that is nothing but 20. 20 plus 1, it will return 21. Sir, 3 into 100, 300, 300 plus 21, 321. Clear up to this? Clear?
Yes.
Now, so 8 into 10 cube, 8,000. 8,000 plus 321. It is going to return 8,321.
So,
Is it my expected output? Please confirm.
yes.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us check whether we are getting this output or not. Any questions from your side? Any questions from your end?
No, sir.
Like this, we are going to develop multiple applications. With this, I'm going to stop our demo session. It will be continued from the next week. From the next week, we will be having paid link. Okay. And this recursion part will be continued. Maybe, not maybe, confirm. We are going to finish the recursion in the coming Saturday. And there is one concept called backtracking. That is n means Sudoku problem. These things are there. That will be completed on the same day itself. Okay, I'm going to take both the recursion and the backtracking. Now, if you are having any queries on the course, you can ask me. Then we will wind up the session.
Sir, could you share these notes? We will work out and try it in weekdays.
Yeah, definitely we will share some.
In the offline, online, both are same offline. Weekend or weekdays, both are the same syllabus, right? Any,
Same syllabus, same syllabus. Weekday or weekend, same syllabus will be there. There is no change.
Sir, how to pay actually? We are getting any mail link on a mail or an WhatsApp actually we are getting.
They are going to share the complete details through mail.
Okay.
Sir, I have a quick question. I made the payment, but I haven't got the confirmation or the. You were saying right?
When you made the payment?
Today, I am in Eastern time zone. Today morning,
Okay,
my morning, I paid the payment.
okay. So you'll get confirmation, madam. It takes some time, maybe 24 hours like that. They will confirm
Okay,
you. Don't worry. Okay.
okay.
Actually, today is my first session. So, how to pay the fees?
Sir, they are going to share the details through mail, sir. You have given your email ID while registering, right?
Right.
So you can contact with that.
Okay.
They will give the complete information. Okay. So if you want, just I will share the details. So you can take the screenshot if you want. Yeah, this is nothing but you can contact to these numbers. So if you want to make the payments. So after making the payment, you need to send the screenshot to this. Just take a screenshot. and follow the details. Okay. Any other questions?
After completing this lead code, we have basics to medium, right? This knowledge is enough.
Yes,
Yeah,
you can
you
apply. You can apply for solving the large scale problems also.
and hard level also.
Yes, you can.
Can you share your Java PDF like notes for the
No, sir, I'm not getting your question.
yeah, for your Java notes, the core Java, you need to just walk through the PDF.
No, we don't have any Java materials. See, I'm not going to
Mm.
share any materials. Even I have not prepared any materials. So direct live classes and running notes will be there for all my courses.
Yeah.
Any other?
Sir, if you're having any doubts, how to we need to reach out to you, sir?
I'm going to create one WhatsApp group and I will share my number. You can contact me with that.
Okay.
Just you can message.
Okay, sure. Thank you, sir.
Any other questions? Right. So there won't be any delay in the classes. Next week, we are going to complete this recursion and backtracking algorithms. Even that algorithms introduction also I'm going to cover in the next week. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next week, 2 hours, 3 hour session will be there. Please be prepared for that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you.